Now we will walk you through a guide on how to use our task management system. Before we begin, let's set apart the two parts of the system, project and task. A project refers to a broad organizational framework, while a task is an individual actionable item within that project. To create a new project, you first need to navigate to the project module. In the project pipeline, you need to click on New and name your project. Then you can determine the email you want to use and click on Create Project. Afterwards, you will be directed to the task pipeline where you can create as many stages as you need for your project. To create a new task, you need to click on New, name the task, and then click on Add. Your task will become visible on the pipeline, and if you click on it, you can further assign the task to a specific project, determine milestones and assignees, apply tags, and determine the allocated time and the deadline. You can also type in a description. You and the assignees can use a timesheet to log into it the tasks that have been done by clicking on Add a Line. Additionally, you can create subtasks and determine assignees for each, as well as change their status. At the top right corner, you can change the stages of the task on the pipeline, as well as their status. Meanwhile, at the top left corner, if you click on the settings icon, you can view timesheets, archive, duplicate, and delete tasks, or add properties to them. Additionally, if you scroll down, you will be able to send messages to assignees, log notes, and schedule activities of any type. Furthermore, you can add followers to the task. You can also view your subtasks and add additional information to them. And last, on the task's information page, if you click on subtasks at the top, you will be able to view your subtasks in a list. Now back to the task pipeline. Here you can update the progress of the tasks by moving them from one stage to the other. You can also star them for priority reasons, view remaining subtasks and assignees, and change their status. You can also change their colors to categorize them. Additionally, on the top right corner, you can change the way you view tasks, for example, in a Kanban, list, or marked in a calendar. Back to the project pipeline. By clicking on the three dots, you can customize your existing projects. You can add milestones. You first need to click on New and start listing them. And once you are done, click on Save. In addition, you can also access Settings, where you can add additional information to the project, such as add tags, determine a project manager, planned dates, and allocated hours. You can also type in a description, and in Settings, you can enable and disable features as needed. Furthermore, you can also send messages, log notes, and schedule activities. In the top right corner, you can also change the positions of the project on the pipeline. If you navigate to Tasks and then All Tasks, you will be able to see your listed tasks of all projects. Furthermore, if you navigate to Configurations and then Settings, you will have access to features that you can enable or disable as needed.